What up, my friends? There's an obsession with job titles with a lot of people. And I think I know what it is. By the way, greetings from my village over here in Africa. I'm just relaxed in front of my barber shop. And check out the view. I'm in a neighborhood called Sinza. This is in Dar es Salaam. And this neighborhood is one of those neighborhoods where you can do all your shopping. There's a lot of great deals in this neighborhood, so I really love it. There's an obsession with job titles by a lot of people, and I think I know what it is. Most people don't have an identity outside of work. They don't know who they are. They don't know who they are outside of that 9-to-5 job. They just don't. Have you ever seen somebody that doesn't have a job? How depressed they look and how they behave? Two completely different human beings. But when they have a job, whether it's a VP, director, or manager of something, they change, they switch up completely. And I've noticed this from being in corporate for quite a while. You know, I used to work for corporate, so I know what I'm talking about. Many people get really obsessed with those job titles. What they don't know is that these titles can easily be stripped away from them. So easily. The person that's writing your check right now can wake up in a bad mood, or they might run out of money. Maybe the idea that they had that was making money to employ you is not making money anymore. So now they gotta fire your ass. You know, it's too risky. I think it's way too risky. We're gonna start to see, and this is a prediction that I have, because we're going through an AI revolution right now. And I'm predicting we're gonna start to see a bunch of 20-something-year-olds, like a 25-year-old living in Bali, who knows how to use artificial intelligence, meaning they know how to set up automations using AI. They're gonna be living in Bali, Mexico, or even over here in Africa, in my village. They might be over here enjoying the quality of life, low cost of living, and the good vibes. Maybe in Jamaica, even Mexico, like I said, right? Employing like 50-year-olds. 50-year-olds that all they know is job titles. They don't know anything else outside of job titles. And then these 50-year-olds are gonna be enslaved by these 25-year-olds that know how to use AI. It's crazy. Listen, it's a cold game. Business is a cold-blooded game. You need to keep up with the technology, because if you don't keep up with technology, like AI for example, you're gonna be like one of those people that, you know, all they knew was how to use a typewriter back in the 80s or 90s, right? And then when email came, they didn't know how to use email, so they lost out on opportunity because they didn't know how to use the email. So you might end up just like those people back in the day. History repeats itself. Business is about cycles. You need to understand that we're going through an AI revolution. If you don't learn these skills on how to automate your business using artificial intelligence, you're gonna be enslaved. And your boss is gonna be younger than you, and they don't care how many hours you're working, because they value their freedom. They value quality of life. So they're gonna be over here, like I am. I've set up all my automations. I got people working for me. So let's say one of my employees decides they want to get paid more money. Yeah, sure, I'll pay them more money. The reason why I can pay them more money is because I don't need money. What I need is freedom. They need money, I need freedom. So I'd rather pay them whatever they're asking so they can slave away from me. It's cold, I know it's cold. While I'm chilling over here, enjoying life and buying bananas. You see right across the street, those bananas over there, I can get a whole bunch of bananas, like 4 bananas for like 50 cents. 4 bananas for like 50 cents. And these are organic bananas, not this junk that people are eating in the West right now, especially in the United States. Not that junk. Because I value something that everybody else doesn't value. I value my time and my freedom. And that's way more important than money. Money brings me convenience. And you need to start thinking different. Think about money completely different. And you will live a better quality of life, and your life will change completely. I hope you got some value from this video. If you're ready to win, if you're ready to work with the best, if you're ready to win the game of life, schedule a call. I'll put a link in the description of this video. I'm going to add you to my private membership group of other winners, because I only hang out with other winners. That's it. If you run an HVAC, roofing, or plumbing business in the US, listen to this. Right now, you're probably stuck in the day-to-day calls, scheduling, follow-ups, admin chaos, and it's keeping you tied to your business. But what if your business could run without you? I help home service business owners automate their workflows using AI. From lead intake and booking to customer follow-ups to job management. So instead of working in your business 24/7, you can finally step back and live life on your terms. I'm talking about running your business remotely from a peaceful, lower cost of living country with more freedom and way less stress. And here's the shift you need to make in this new economy. Stop chasing low-ticket, price-sensitive customers and start positioning your services for high-net-worth clients. People who value speed, quality, and reliability and will gladly pay for it. Less volume, higher margins, better clients is what you deserve. If you want to turn your business into something that gives you time, location, and financial freedom, then let's talk. Schedule a call, invest in yourself. I'll also add you to my private membership group of other home service business kings that are already winning with this strategy.